Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another 24-footer we just got on the ground. This is stock number 14303. It's a 2018 Cargo Craft 8.5 by 24 dragster trailer in a silver blackout package. This trailer is beautiful in person. Wanted to give you guys some look at the details here. We do have a heavy-duty extended 4-foot tongue on the front, so you guys will have a great turning radius with this unit, as well as the black diamond plate rock art across the bottom and up the corners, so you've got good rock protection there. Also, you've got the upgraded rounded front cap, all in black as well. Side door does come with an overhead gutter, RV lock, and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection on that side door. This one's also equipped with a power package, so you do have an exterior GFI outlet right there. Two 7,000-pound torsion axles with brakes, and you also have the spread axle package with this unit. Gives you a different skirting on the trailer. Not only does it look very cool, it also is going to give you guys an optimal towing experience because it takes that weight and distributes it a little bit better in the trailer, and the torsion axles give you an independent suspension as well. You do have full 16-inch on center framing on the walls in this as well. You also have the dragster package set up for cars if needed. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close and diamond plate transition flap. You also have a 3-inch dovetail here at the rear. So interior height of this unit is a 7-foot interior height. We're going to lose about 6 inches with the rear door spring right there, and then we gain back 3 inches with the dovetail. So you have about a 6'9" rear door opening. Great for UTVs and razors as well. This one also has 2 exterior LED load spotlights right here, and then you also have an LED strip light next to that side door up here as well. So you guys will have some nice light on the side door side and awesome light to load if you guys need to load and unload at night as well. Nudo floor in this unit. We love our Nudo floor. It's very durable. Also, you have, looks like 8 D-rings in the floor. So tons of different tie down options there. You have a light switch right back here, so you guys can drop this ramp door, flip on the lights. That's what's going to turn on your spots right here. Also, insulated walls and ceiling, vinyl ceiling liner, a couple of overhead roof vents, and great lights. You have 3 on each side of the LED puck lights. These are really bright, efficient little lights, and they're cool too because you also have an individual toggle switch right there that you can turn them off and on, or just flip them all on and off with that light switch next to your side door. Again, more outlets. It looks like there's at least 4 inside here, so lots of different plug-in points there. A couple more light switches. One of these will turn on that exterior light. One of these flips on all your interior lights. Interior step coming in. Backside of the RV lock does give you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. It's a nice feature. And then you also have a 30-amp box right there that'll make all your outlets work. You guys can take this cord, port it right there through the floor outside to a generator, or plug it into an extension cord, however you guys want to power your trailer. So you do have a 9,000-pound payload capacity with this unit. It allows you guys to have a lot of options. Again, it's set up very well for cars with having the dovetail and transition flap in the back, or again, a great toy trailer, work trailer, whatever you guys want to use it for. So here it is. We are located in Castle Rock, Colorado. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state. We do have shipping options available for you guys as well. If you don't live near us, that's okay. I have an awesome transporter that will run stuff all over the country for us. And as always, you can reach us at 303-688-8485. You can check us out online. ColoradoTrailersInc.com is our website. We also have a buy it now button on there. So if you guys love this trailer and you want to snatch it up before someone else does, you can go online and purchase it right there as well. Or give us a call and we'll help walk you through it. Be sure to like and subscribe.